ice cold refreshment, ham and egg vegetarian option, snorkel set and instruction, Calypso Snorkel 101 course, glass bottom viewing room, 2 water slides, 1 with big drop, leap of faith, jump platform, early access to ocean, flotation device, fast high-tech catamaran, wheelchair accessible, turtles and seasonal whales. Freshwater shows 3 decks and large shady cabin. Excellent comfort facilities, fun for the entire family, great music and sound system, 3 restrooms on board, fun and happy crew, whale watching December through May.
How many you got? You guys want to go up top or? Back half is covered.
Okay, we're gonna go. Oh, it is?
Yeah, go check it out. Right up the stairs and come back when you're ready.
I don't know.
Yeah? Do you want to go with me or Hannah? Or
I'll go with you.
Okay.
Okay, watch me start. Are you ready?
Yeah. Snorkel?
Snorkel?
Snorkel.
There's a nice.
Perfect morning.
Perfect morning, yeah. It's like
we're on the back of a boat. The sun is rising.
on the back of the boat, sun's rising.
Jumping.
Perfect. Mild to big waves. It's like medium waves.
Medium.
You guys should go down the slide. It was so fun. Whoa.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Nice. Sweet. Yeah. That's it. Oh, hey, that sounds great.
Not enough of a carrot.
Well, you equalize, so you like...
That's true.
And you can actually equalize as a free diver. You just have different ways of doing it. Rather than slowing down. I haven't done it consciously. If you like swallow sometimes, if you down, it's kind of like swallow and it'll clear the pressure.
I guess when I'm not intentionally holding my breath and I don't like try to go. And that day in turtle mode, it was like really impressive.
And then if we go back to turtle mode, I think we'll probably get
I hope we see.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you are not getting away with this. Go. Oh, sure, we can see it. I'm spun out with fishes. Oh my God.
Well, we got a spy hop, guys. Let's check that out. Will's checking the zodiac out. You see that? It came up. Whales have ocular vision, folks. They can see just as good out of the water as they can below water. It's called ocular vision. The way they're able to accomplish this, there, see him? He's putting his head up, spy hopping. The reason they're able to do this is they bend the eyeball, the lens, as they come out of the water, and they flatten it as they go underwater. So remember what I said, scientists have found a direct correlation between the amount of Mai Tais consumed and humpback whales sighted. Looks like they're coming our way. We got at least 3 whales here. Full grown too. That one's at least 40 feet, about 80,000 pounds. You guys see those little circular slicks of water they're leaving behind? They call those footprints, and in the olden days, that's how the whalers would track them. They thought these whales would leave a cup or two of oil on the surface every time they came up. It's not really oil, though. It's just water displacement. The tail is so broad and powerful that it creates a whirlpool under the surface and causes that slick. Wow, there you go, guys. Fluke up. That's how we identify them, through the bottom side of that tail fluke. If you're able to get the picture, it's just like a thumbprint. There are over 4,500 humpback whales cataloged. Not only in the shape of the tail, but the different patterns of white and black distinguish that particular whale tail. A lot of these whales have half moons bitten out of one of the flukes. And what that is, that's from killer whales, orcas. When they get back to Alaska, the orcas will get one bite or so. They'll keep that scar for life. This perfect half moon bite. Straight in front, 1 o'clock. There you go. He's coming right at us. So this is probably prior to the formation of a heat run. So you have a female probably going into estrus, and the males are starting to gather. That's kind of the behavior pattern when they start doing that bubble blowing like they were. You can see that whale is right next to the zodiac. Completely black. I saw that.
Yeah.
Just want you to want to set up your foot like right on the edge.
So when the mother has her calf, the calf basically has to be brought to the surface for its first breath of air. It doesn't know how to swim either. So mom puts the calf on her head and brings it up, and then rolls on her back and brings up her pec fins and cradles the calf on the surface while she's on her back until the calf gets enough breaths, and then the calf will start doing shallow dives with mom's stomach right below her until the calf learns how to swim. It's a solid, semi-solid form, similar to butter. If the calf gets hungry, it'll start bumping into mom. She'll have a contraction in her mammary glands, and she'll push out like a block of butter, 5-gallon block, and the calf will gobble that up. They can't suckle. Their mouths are built for filter feeding, so it would emulsify if it came out in liquid. It's also why they've never recorded more than one calf to a mother. They just don't think mom could support that much. It's such a strain on her. And remember, she's not eating the whole time. Now, the calf is gaining almost 100 pounds every single day. So this is when a lot of people think the whale is dead. They'll make reports to the Coast Guard, and they'll send out the National Marine Fisheries, and they'll come out, and all of a sudden the whale does that, blows. They can, hold their breath, like I said, up to 45 minutes, so they just kind of log on the surface. We got to get going, folks.
The other day, she did this freeze. She's doing. Oh yeah, my PCT actually.
Also, guys, please watch your step and enjoy the rest of vacation. Aloha, mahalo, and a hui ho.
Don't forget to feed the hula girl on the way out. She plays the ukulele for Dallas.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you guys.
Aloha, guys.
Dad, decorate. Tell Jude to look.
A xylophone.
Tell Jude to look. I think.